Hello students, I am Aradhna Yadav, your maths teacher. Here I am with the topic rounding off. Rounding off numbers means in many instances exact numbers are not necessary and not even desirable. So on that place approximation works. Approximation means lagbhag. If I say what is the distance between your house and your school, so you don't know the exact number, so you are going to tell the approximate value. So let's learn how to round off the numbers. First, rounding off to the nearest tens. So the numbers ending in 1, 2, 3 and 4 get rounded down, and the numbers ending in 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 get rounded up. In short, we can say that if it is less than 5, then the number is going to be rounded down, and if it is greater than or equals to 5, the number is going to be rounded up. For example, round off the number 37 to the nearest tens. So there are two possibilities. It can be 30 or it can be 40. But as you can see, number is ending with 7 and 7 is greater than 5. So it means number is going to be rounded up. So what we are going to do, we are going to add 1 on the digit which is on tens place. So 3 plus 1, that is 40, and the digit we are comparing with 5, 7 here, so that is going to be replaced by 0. So 40 is the required answer. Now one more example, round off the number, that is 372. See, number is ending with 2. So it means 2 is less than 5, then the number is going to be rounded down. We are not going to add anything on the tens place. We will copy that digit only, that is 7 only, and the digit we are comparing, that is going to be replaced by 0. Now rounding off the number to the nearest 100. Numbers ending in zeros, tens, 20s, 30s and 40s get rounded down. Numbers ending in 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s get rounded up. What does 30s means? 31, 32 till 39, and 40s means 40, 41 till 49. So basically 0 to 49 we are going to round down, and from 50 to 99 number is going to be rounded up. So in short, we are going to learn that if it is less than 50, number is going to be rounded down, and if it is greater or equals to 50, the number is going to be rounded up. For example, 3246 to the nearest 100. As you can see, number is ending with 46, and 46 is less than 50. So the number is going to be rounded down. So we will not add anything on hundreds place. Here 2 is there, so we are not going to add any, that is we are not going to increase its value by 1. We are just going to write the same, that is 2 only, and the digit we are comparing is going to be replaced by 0. Here 46 we are comparing, so it will be replaced by 0. So round off is 3200. Now one more example I am going to give you, that is 7384. Now as you can see, number is ending with 84, and 84 is greater than 50, so the number is going to be rounded up. So we will add 1 on our hundreds place. So 3 plus 1, that is 4, and here we are comparing 84, that is going to be replaced by zeros. 7400 is the required answer. Now rounding off the numbers to the nearest 1000. So the numbers ending in zeros, hundreds, 200s, 300s and 400s get rounded down, and numbers ending in 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s and 900s get rounded up. So in short, we are going to say that if it is less than 500, then the number is going to be rounded down, and if it is greater than or equals to 500, then the number is going to be rounded up. So let's see some examples now. 5258. So we have to round off this number to the nearest thousand. As you know that the number is ending with 258, and 258 is less than 500. It means the number is going to be rounded down. Then we are not going to add anything on the thousands place. We are going to write the 5 only, and the digits we are comparing are going to be replaced by zeros. So 5000 is a round off to 5258. Let's see one more example. If I give you 66,728. Now, as you can see, number is ending with 728, which is greater than 500. So what we are going to do? We are going to increase the value of 1000 by 1. That is, we are going to add 6 plus 1, 7, and the digits we are comparing is going to be replaced by zeros. So 67,000 is a round off to 66,728. Understood? So basically we can say that for rounding off to the nearest tens, we will compare the last digit, that is with 5, and for rounding off to the nearest 100, we are going to see the last two digits and compare with 50, and for rounding off to the nearest 1000, we will see last three digits and going to compare it with 500. So let's discuss more examples now. A number that is 4746. Now first we will round off this number to the nearest 10. For rounding off the number to the nearest 10, we are going to check the digit which is on ones place. Which digit is on ones place? That is 6. Now we will check 6 with 5, and we know that 6 is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, then we are going to increase the value which is on tens place. On tens place, here it is 4. So we will increase 4 by 1, that is 5. Now our number will be 4700. 4 plus 1, that is 5, and the digit we are comparing, that is 6, it will be replaced by 0. Okay, so our number will be 4750. Now the same number we are going to round off to the nearest 100. For rounding off to the nearest 100, we will check the last two digits, that is 46 we are having. We will check with 50. If it is greater than, we will check greater than or less than 50, right? So 46 is less than 50. So we are not going to increase the digit which is on hundreds place. Hundreds place पर क्या है? 7. If it is less than, we are not going to increase the value. We will write the same number, that is 7 only. 4, 7. अगर बड़ा होता, then we are going to increase it. Now the digit we are comparing will be replaced by 0. So we will write 2 zeros there. Now we will round off the number to the nearest 1000. Now for rounding off to the nearest 1000, we will check last three digits, that is 746. Now 746 is greater than 500. अगर greater होता है, then we are going to add 1, otherwise we are not going to add any of the number we will just copy the same digit. So we will write 4, so the digit which is on thousands place will be increased by 1. Write 4 plus 1, that is 5, and the digit we are comparing will be replaced by 0. Right? This is one of the example. Now let's take the other example. Now let's take 7,278. Now for rounding off to the nearest tens, we are going to check the last digit that is on ones place, 8 with 5, and we know that 8 is greater than 5. Then we are going to increase the digit which is on tens place by 1. अगर छोटा होता तो we are not going to increase it. So here it is greater than 5. So we will write 7, 2, and 7 plus 1, that is 8, and the digit we are comparing will be replaced by 0. So our answer will be 7,280. Now for rounding off to the nearest 100, we are going to check last two digits, that is 78 with 50, and 78 is greater than 50. So what we are going to do? We are going to increase the value which is on hundreds place by 1. Right? So 7, 2 plus 1, that is 3, and the digit we are comparing here is 78, that will be replaced by zeros. 7,300 is the answer. Now for rounding off to the nearest 1000, we are going to check the last three digits, that is 278. Now we will check it with 500, and we know that 278 is less than 500. It means we are not going to increase the thousands place by 1. We will copy the same digit, that is 7 only, and the digit we are considering or checking or comparing, that will be replaced by zeros. Here we are checking the three digits, that will be going to be replaced by zeros. So this is how we are going to round off the numbers. I hope the topic is clear to you all. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.